At Hightop, we're shaping the future of construction machinery with intelligent solutions and a global perspective. We collaborate with brands and businesses to deliver equipment that meets real-world demands reliably, efficiently, and cost-effectively. With 10 years of experience, we've grown from a local manufacturer into a recognized leader in engineering equipment, driven by a spirit of innovation, a commitment to quality, and a focus on customer success across diverse markets. Our products are trusted in over 77 countries across Europe, North America, South America, and Southeast Asia. We operate more than 10 overseas warehouses, including locations in the United States, Germany, the United Kingdom, Spain, Poland, and Saudi Arabia, ensuring fast delivery and localized support worldwide. Our 60,000 square meter facility is equipped with advanced automated production lines covering cutting, welding, painting, and final assembly. With an annual output of 60,000 units, we meet global demand efficiently and consistently. Our manufacturing is backed by ISO 9001, CE, SGS, TUV, and BV certifications, guaranteeing quality at every step. We offer flexible customization options, from model functionality to branding and color. All equipment comes with a 1-year warranty, free spare parts, and expert remote diagnostics. Our overseas warehouses support rapid after-sales service with a 2-hour response time, helping you stay operational and stress-free. With a team of over 820 professionals, we bring together strong technical capabilities, industry knowledge, and a shared commitment to quality and innovation, working as one to support our partners around the world. Hightop, building a happy enterprise, powering Chinese machinery worldwide.